Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now the first thing you actually want to do is just open up the Dragon Ball Legends app, and once you have done that, you should be on this homepage here. Now in order to actually redeem our codes, we will have to go to the bottom right corner where it says menu and go ahead and click that. From there we will see quite few options. However, at the top we can see those gray buttons, and the one at the top in the middle says scan code. So all we want to do is click on that, and from there we can choose how to actually do our code. So if you have a picture saved in our camera roll, we can actually choose picture and upload it like that. Or if you have a code in front of you, you want to go ahead and choose camera, and you can just scan this with your camera. So after you have actually done that, you will have successfully redeemed your code in Dragon Ball Legends. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.